Hey, Scott Grove here, last day at AWFS in Las Vegas. I'm here at the Shaper booth with Jake. They won an innovation award, so this is awesome. This is, in fact, innovative. So Jake, why don't you tell us what you got here?
This is our brand new product. This is Shaper Trace. It is the fastest way to go from drawing to cuttable vector graphic. Let's do it.
Okay, what does that mean? I can draw something?
So you can draw something, you could write your signature, you could trace an object, like an antique piece of hardware, whatever you want. We shoot a photo with it with the app,
right,
and it instantaneously turns it into an SVG.
Okay, let's give this a try. So magic marker. Okay.
Give me a nice signature.
I love this tool. So there we go, and now it's worth even more.
Perfect.
Okay, there you go. See that? It sounds like a trick. This sounds like a trick, or is this a miracle?
It's a miracle.
Okay, tricks are for dogs.
So there's a few extra, few features that it allows you to do. So I'm going to shoot that. There you go. This is now totally ready to be sent to our tool and cut. It can be sent to a laser cutter, a Cricut cutter, whatever tool you have that takes an SVG.
Wow. Okay, let's do it.
Let's head over the tool.
Okay.
All right, so we have that SVG file. We're gonna go ahead and save directly to my Shaper files. Name it. Boom, saved. Go under our tool. And there we go. Now we're ready to place that and cut.
And you can obviously scale it up. Let's make it really big. Make
Absolutely.
My name as big as you can make it. I'm just joking.
But yeah, being on Origin allows you a lot of flexibility. So if I want to change that to be 12 inches wide, there we go. That's enormous.
Wow. Okay, well, let's scale it down just so you can cut it a little smaller.
All right. Let me bring it back in and I'll rotate it.
Or make it full size. Let's make it original size.
Oh, that is actually one of the key features of Trace. It preserves your scale. So that's actually what all the markers around the frame does.
Okay.
So if you are tracing something like a piece of hardware, it is true to scale.
True to scale. Oh, awesome. So if you have a piece of hardware or you want to inlay a rock that you found or whatever, it's right on.
Yep.
And obviously you can probably go to the inside of the line and you can scale it down to make it fit perfect or what have you.
Exactly. You can do inside cuts, outside cuts.
And
if you're engraving,
pockets.
If you're engraving, you can actually choose the outline of your drawing or the center line.
Right.
So if you use
just
a
like
thick
any
pen.
CNC path. Yeah.
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay, let's see this happen.
Give me a hot second.
So if you don't know how Shaper works, it has a little camera here, and you put this sort of domino tape down, and it sort of virtually projects the image onto your surface. And by using this domino tape, it optically knows where it is on the panel. Point being is we could raise this, make my name. Oh, we could go 12 feet, and it will. You can scale it up, and you can, match these together. It's just an awesome machine. Small shop, big shop, anybody can use it. Best part is for small shop, you can have a CNC that you can put in a sustainer box, and you're good to go. Okay.
Give me one moment just to switch the bits out. We're gonna engrave when you're. All right.
Okay.
Let's go ahead and engrave this heart. There it is, true to form.
All right, I think they're putting me out of business, or at least I need to get one to stay up to speed. So, Jake, thanks for showing. They also got some other stuff. So this is called Shaper Trace, so check them out. Also, if you don't have a Shaper and you have a laser, it's called Shaper Trace app.
Shaper Trace, one-time payment, $100, gets you the app, gets you the frame, and everything you need to make.
So that's great. Like kind of open source, if you will. I mean, you're sharing the love. They also have some other interesting things. Hardware, right? And you want to put in a Brusso side rail hinge. You scan the code, and it brings up the file automatically, and then you use this. What are we calling this?
This is plate. This is the fastest way to get hardware repeatably, accurately. We call it the universal template. Where
Yeah.
you drop the fence and line something up to say your pencil mark on your cabinet door. You cut a sauce hinge or a salica hinge or whatever.
Right.
Whatever you want.
Yeah, this is awesome. So check it out. Congratulations on the Visionary Award,
Thank you.
and we got Shaper Origin. Okay.